Hello, today we're going to learn how to submit a discussion or a group discussion. When you have a discussion, you need to make sure you look at how many points are possible and the due date. Typically, the teacher will list the final due date, but there might be several due dates for your posts and your replies, so it is very important to read the directions very carefully. Sometimes your teacher wants you to reply to one other student. Other times, your teacher will have you reply to multiple students. So read the directions for the details. Make sure you follow the directions of each assignment very carefully and answer every question listed. If you have any questions, you can ask the teacher. To submit your reply, simply click on this long reply bar right here. Then you'll just type in your response to the question. For example, the teacher might ask you about climate change. You might write a short answer about climate change, or you can answer a very long answer about climate change. You'll just simply type your response in this text box here. You can change the size of your text by simply clicking right here where it says 12 points and make it smaller or make it larger. You can also change whether or not text is in bold by just highlighting a word and clicking on the B for bold. You can add an image a couple different ways. Click on the embed image icon. You can add a website address or URL. You can go on Flickr and do a search, maybe for glaciers. Glaciers are big pieces of ice that typically form a lot of the land in the Arctic and the Antarctic. Choose your image. Make sure you describe your image for those who have accessibility issues and can't see, and click Update, and you'll see your image pop up. To change the size, you'll click on the image, and then you can drag the corner to make it the size you wish. You can also add an image by, once again, clicking on Embed Image. To add your own image, you'll click on Canvas, you'll click on My Files, then you'll click on Upload. You'll find your image from your file. You might need to change your file on your computer. Click on the image, click Open. Then you'll need to change the description for the alt text so that people with accessibility issues and can't see will understand what the image is. And I'm typing in climate change, time clock, planet Earth. I think that describes my image fairly well. I'll click Update, and now once again I'll click on the image, change it to the size that I'd like it to be, and then when you're finished, just click Post Reply. Then after that, you can reply to your classmate. To do that, you will click on the reply on the bottom left-hand corner of their post. Make sure you post yours before you reply to one of your classmates. So you'll click on reply, and by the way, you can also like it with the little hand right there. I can like it. Click on reply, and once again, you will type your reply to them in the text box. Sometimes your reply is a question, sometimes it's a comment, sometimes it's a peer review. You can also add links. If you need to add a website link, then what you do is you can click on your website, right-click on the website address or URL. Then you're going to click on Copy. Sometimes I think you actually have to highlight it. Then you'll click on Copy. Then you will right-click or actually a better idea is describe what the website is. So you might say climate change game. Describe what the website is. Select it and then click link to URL and then right click and click paste. Then insert link, and there you go. You've got a live link to the website that you wish. Another thing that you might need to include is a video. If you're going to include a video, you'll click on your video. You will right click, click copy, go back to your reply. You'll click on insert or edit media. You'll right click, you'll click paste or control V, and then you will click OK. And there you have it. You have your video that has been added to your post. I hope that helps you, and good luck on your assignment. Don't forget to click post reply, and it will be there, and you can have a conversation back and forth by clicking replies to each other's posts. Good luck and have a great week.